Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Israel. Today I will talk about 6 important points. Number 1 is the problem, production capacity, saturation, and the risk of shortage with two competitors. And demand for advanced solutions for smart homes and need to address environmental concerns and climate change. Number 2, a special advantage, continuous technological innovation, flexibility to adapt to changing consumer and market needs. Value proposition, we other innovations, high quality home technology that transform the daily life and enhances household efficiency. And channels, commercial, two special advantage, continuous technological innovation, flexibility to adapt to changing consumer and market needs. Value proposition, we other innovations, high quality home technology that transform the daily life and enhances household efficiency. And channels, commercial agreements, brick and mortar stores, and online sales.
Okay, the vision is to assume the highest executive position of a home technology manufacturing company, aimed at strengthening its global competitive positions, making key strategic and operational decisions. And the mission is lead the home technology market in India over the next 5 years and expand into new markets through strategic planning, technological innovation, and cost-effective strategies. Finally, in the objectives are autonomous learning, collaboration, effective oral and writing communication, commitment to quality, and teamwork. In this table, we can see the marketing decisions made and their consequence on the final simulator outcome. In 2022, we start with a 55,000 soles budget for technoperson in the Indian market. It increased by 20,000 in 2023 and an additional 30,000 in 2024. In a Southeast Asian market, we allocated 75,000 for all three products in 2023, and it grew by 5,000 each in 2024. In the next table, the company's value showed an upward trend, as seen in the table. It started at 3.175 in value, and by 2023, highlighted the positive impact of good decision making on economic results, as there is a consistent growth between 20,000 2022, 2023, and 2024.
Hi, my name is Priscila Mosqueira. In this case, we can see the analysis of financial indicators, solvency ratios. In first place, we can see current equity indebtedness. Current indebtedness 9.939%. Low solvency for comparing short-term debts. Recommendations increase the equity capital to enhance solvency. In second place, total asset indebtedness total is 9.993% of risk due to rely on external financing. The recommendation is long-term financial planning. Um, in the place of profitability ratios, net equity profitability is equity yield of 2.94%. In net asset profitability of efficient asset is 0.196%. And in gross margin, we could have on sales 0.0637 retaining of sales as gross margin. The recommendation in this place is the optimized cost of sales. In this place, we can see three items: financial results, decision of inversion, and decision of the financial of Wandas. In the first place, we can see that the total revenue is decreased by 10.9%, possibly due to lower demand or lower prices. Net profit dropped low 16.6%, indicating lower earnings after considering all expenses and taxes. Return on equity decreased from 20% to 13%, suggesting a decline in profitability in relation to the total investment. So, in decision of the inversion, we have a evaluation of the process. Several crucial steps are undertaken. Firstly, a thorough market analysis is conducted to understand the current and future demands for Wanda's products. This includes identifying market trends, assigning competitors, and pinpointing growth opportunities. So, in the final place, financial assessments is a pivotal step in the decision-making process. The key financial metrics, such as return on investment, payback period, and expected cash flow, are carefully considered to make informed choices. And the final is the decision of financing in Wanda's strategy. We considers initial investment, operational, and expansion costs. It grapples with a long-term loan, and despite a decrease in the costs and expenses, there is still negative impact at the company, because the goal is to increase profitability and reduce debt and exchange cash flow through a high trade focus and marketing. The strategy resolves around the reducing unnecessary debts and debt financing to maximum return on equity, that it's raw, and improve liquidity.
Analysis of differences in key budgets. An analysis of the most important budget difference involves identifying the difference between actual results and budgeted results at Wanda Company. The goal is to understand why these variations occurred and how they impacted the company. Budget for year 2025, 34,513,240. Actual revenue for year 2025, 38,739,540. Gap, 4,226,300. 10.9% above budget. Total revenues. Budget for year 2025, 3,216,221. Actual personal expenses for year 2025, 3,132,545. Gap, 83,677. 2.6% below budget. Personal expenses. Budget for year 2025, 12,518,637. Actual manufacturing cost for year 2025, 14,732,739. Gap, 2,214,102. 15% above budget. Manufacturing cost. Budget for year 2025, 785,000. Actual research and development (R&D) expenses for year 2025, 780,000. Gap, 15,000. 1.9% below budget. Research and development (R&D) expensive. Budget for year 2025, 2,015,379. Actual marketing expenses for year 2025, 1,982,906. Gap, 32,473. 1.6% below budget. Marketing expense. Gap analysis. Actual revenue significantly exceeded the budget, indicated better sales performance. Manufacturing costs were higher than expected, which could be a concern as it affects profitability. Marketing expenses and personal expenses were below budget, possibly due to the efficiency driving decision. Research and development, R&D expenses, and depreciation expenses were below budget, suggesting more efficient resource management. General expenses exceeded the budget, requiring a review to control operating costs. The operating result exceeded the budget, which is positive, but taxes were also higher. Overall, the next results was much better than budgeted.
Production and Operation Management. The cause and effect analysis, also known as a fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram, is a tool used to identify the underlying reason for a product not meeting the expected quality standards when applied to the context of product quality. Failures in the production line, lack of employee training, insufficient machinery maintenance, manufacturing-related costs, inadequate quality inspections, lack of quality control protocols, quality control, supply of low-quality raw materials, variation in raw material specifications, raw material-related costs, adverse environmental conditions in the factory, inadequate product transportation, environmental factors, unclear design specifications, design not suitable for the purpose, product design-related costs, poor communication between departments, lack of leadership in quality management and leadership.
It's recommended to conduct a thorough analysis of the cause behind this budget gaps and take measures to optimize costs, strengthen trade supply chain, and make effective investment in innovation. Implement a rigorous cost control, especially in logistic and quality to reduce operation costs and improve the gross margin. These costs reduce associated with obsolete or loose unit. One that should conduct a thorough analysis of market demand and optimizing its production capacity to avoid underestimation of overload of resources, optimize inventory management.